April is almost here. And in summer, what do we have? It's time for the cricket hangama that we call IPL. 10 teams, with 2 new teams and IPL is something that keeps our evenings engaged throughout summer. Now, what happens before IPL? We go the IPL auction way. Yes, you see bidding and all that. This time you have 2 teams that are joining the IPL, and let's say you are going on to one of the teams for that auction. Auction you go, so we be ready to bid. Now, whom do we bid? That's a question mark. Who do I bid for? You have come to know that there is a star player everyone wants to bid for. And you would think that it would be a great opportunity lost if your team doesn't get him. So who is this star player? Is what you think. All other teams, be it Mumbai Indians, CSK, KKR, all of them want this person. But you don't know who the person is. However, your secret sources give you a clue. So what does your secret sources tell you? They tell you the code that the player has a code. Code is what they tell you. Now, they tell you that the player has a code that's numbered 4815149. Now, what can that mean? It's a code, and you start thinking. And then you get another tip that it's a 5-letter name. Does that make your job easier? Yes, I would say so. Then we start thinking. So this must be where letters are represented by numbers. And we start thinking. So we write it down again. 4815149. And you start thinking. So what do we have now? You put A as 1, B as 2, and so you think 4 is D. Now, one thing we need, there are only 26 letters in the alphabet, so no letter can be more than 26, right? Similarly, we put 8 and not 81. That's H. 15, so is it 1? But then again, you can't have 51 and 49. So you put it as 50. And here is O, 40. You get N, and 9 brings you to I. Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the star player, and we can't miss. So you will get ready and bid for Dhoni. Here we go.